Welcome to spring cleaning. Upgrade your home with any of these spring decor ideas. In the entryway. In the living room, place color accents with flowers on the coffee table and end tables. These shabby chic decorating ideas are really just an excuse to spruce up your living room, kitchen, dining room, bedroom, or office with pastel accents, straight from your garden's seasonal centerpiece and cheery spring colors. You're bound to find some inspiration of this list that easily complement your current interior. Below is a gallery of Tracey's house tour. In the kitchen, don't forget to place a flower arrangement on the kitchen countertop or breakfast table. In the home office, a cheerful flower arrangement enhances the space. In the bedroom, a touch of color with a flower arrangement on the nightstand and on a tray. in the garden, Shabby Chic furniture is very versatile. Just add color by placing flowers in pots. How do you decorate your home in spring?